In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Any.do with your Google Calendar for easy integration. This process will allow you to synchronize tasks and appointments across both platforms, ensuring you're always up to date regardless of where you enter your information. Let's start by opening up your Any.do app, whether that's on a mobile device or via the web. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the settings menu, often symbolized by a small gear icon. In settings, something you should look out for is the calendar integration or connected accounts option. This feature is your gateway to bridging Any.do with Google Calendar. Upon finding the Connect Calendar area, tap on the Engage icon and select Google Calendar from the list of options. Here's the important part. Sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, this step will prompt you to enter your credentials. A notification will appear asking for your permission to allow Any.do access to your Google Calendar events. It's safe to authorize this, as it's needed to ensure your tasks and appointments can be displayed correctly. With those initial steps completed, your Google Calendar should now be actively synced with Any.do. This synchronization is a fantastic way to streamline your digital planning system, merging tasks from both platforms into a comprehensive overview. Next, we have some exciting customization options to enhance your experience. You can choose which Google Calendars you want to connect, making sure you're only syncing relevant information. Not all your calendars might be necessary or suitable for task syncing, so feel free to fine-tune this setting according to your needs. Furthermore, you can set how tasks appear in Google Calendar, whether you want them marked as all-day tasks or as specifically scheduled events. This option can help you decide what works best depending on how you prefer your tasks to be visualized. Finally, a little extra control over reminders can be beneficial. Adjust your reminder settings so that alerts are consistent across both applications. This way, whether you're looking at Any.do or Google Calendar, the reminders you set will always pop up as expected, minimizing any chance of a missed task or appointment. By connecting Any.do with Google Calendar, you're integrating two powerful tools, making task and time management efficient and cohesive. Now that you've completed these steps, enjoy your newfound scheduling harmony. As always, feel free to review your sync options and adjust them to suit your evolving preferences. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial empowers you to make the most of your planning on both Any.do and Google Calendar. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.